once you guys have the module installed in your vehicle, and you have the email, password, all that jazz set up, the serial number of the module into the app, you'll be ready to go. So grab your phone, you're gonna go ahead and open up the app. It's gonna pop up on your car. If you have the picture and all that good stuff set, it will be here. As you can see, we have the start, stop, lock, unlock. It shows my doors are unlocked. The little timer right here in the middle will give you a countdown timer for the remote start. And then you hit this little arrow, it will pop up. There's a little map pin and then a picture or icon of a building. The icon will give you our website, Facebook, email, contact information, our hours, address, and all that good stuff. So just go back. You can hit the GPS pin. It will bring up exactly where you're located. Then you can go ahead and hit the start button. You'll see my parking lights flash over there, and then she'll fire up. Give it about 30 to 45 seconds. There she goes. There's my countdown timer, as you can see. You can hit the stop button. She'll stop. My doors are unlocked, so I can go ahead and hit the lock button here. Shows my doors are locked, and if you saw that, my parking lights flashed, and then I can do the same thing for unlock. The parking lights will flash twice. It shows the doors are unlocked, and that is pretty much the gist of it. If you guys have more than one car, you hit the little 3 lines up here. It'll bring up, have an option, My Garage, and then it brings up all the vehicles listed here. This app can be installed on more than one device, so if husband and wife, for example, share a vehicle, it can all be on one app. One thing to note also is there's a service plan after the first 12 months of $29 a year that is not paid to us. This thing runs on a cell phone service, so that's just what it takes to maintain service after the first 12 months. The first year is free, so you do get to try it out for a complete year with just the purchase price of the module. After the 12 months, you will be notified if to pay the $29 if you guys do choose to do so. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us.